Alright, hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time with your host, Bailey. How's it going, everybody? Don't mind the dry skin here. I just gave myself a pedicure, and I have not applied any oils or lotions because I'm going to be doing gel on my toes and that, and I didn't want any of the lotion to add any more oils to my nails yet. So this video, I'm actually going to show you guys how I did this quick little prosthetic on my runner's toe here. So this is what it used to look like, and this is what it looks like now. Pretty simple, pretty easy. I like to make sure that there is enough grow out to secure gel. I find if it was like half of this, you wouldn't be able to keep it on there. So yeah, look at the burn I got today, guys. It hurt so much. Okay. So first, I have, now that I've been touching it, I'm going to wipe this with some acetone to get rid of all the oil since I was just touching it to show you guys. I'm going to fan dry that. And then I'm going to take some dehydrator and a disposable brush because cross-contamination is not a good thing, and because feet are always in contact with the floor, I'm going to give a dehydrator to the nail, not on the natural skin, just on the nail that's there. I'm going to chuck that brush in the garbage, and I'm going to pause and wait for this to dehydrate because I do hold oils in my nails, so I'm going to wait for this to go nice and chalky white before we go to the next step. Okay, so it's not gone chalky, but I know it's dry. I can tell by looking. It doesn't quite look like it in the monitor there. Monitor. Why do I keep saying monitor? Monitor. I don't know. Okay, so, and now I'm going to use some Tips and Toes base coat, but I'm going to use, where's the camera? I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to depot this, use this brush on my toe. What you doing, Benny? So I've just put some on the back of a nail form backing. And I'm doing my best. I apologize to everybody. It's so hard to work bent over and on the floor. So again, I've just put it on just the nail that's there, and I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds in LED. Okay, so that is cured. So now, same concept. I have depotted some of my product here, and I'm actually using, this is a Cover Pink by Nail Innovations. This is Eclipse. One of my favorite cover pinks to use. It is very flesh tony, and I find this mixed with a sheer pink kind of matches everybody's skin tone. I love it. So, ooh, what you doing? You watching? Watch mommy fix her toe. Ready? So I'm gonna take some gel here, and I'm going to do as if I was doing, someone's nail, right? I'm going to be neat around the cuticle, as neat as I can be, because again, I'm bent over with my feet on the floor. Add some more. Hi. And I'm going to extend up to where my natural free edge would be onto the skin. That's okay. Because if you ever have experience with nail biters, you do sometimes have to go onto the skin. And that's okay. And I'm just going to play with it until I'm happy with the free edge shape. And this gel is a medium consistency, self-leveling. So it's fairly easy to work with. And I didn't want to go with a clear because it's harder to see from the distance I am from my foot. So I am happy with that. I'm going to cure this for 99 seconds on the low heat mode in the lamp, and I will be right back. Okay, so we are cured. And now, oh, of course, Vinny has to touch it. Now I'm going to wipe away the tacky layer. Make sure I got it. Okay. And now I have a fine buffer, and I'm going to buff the surface, making sure I'm turning the buffer in around my side walls. The great thing about toes is you don't have to be too crazy precise, but using a self-leveling makes it so easy to work with. And then I'm going to, I've been using this on myself already today, so don't mind my little white marks. I have a diamond crosscut file, and I'm just going to straighten up my side walls. When I straighten up my side walls, I will get up the side and I will roll the file. And straighten up my free edge so that it matches. Minnie, you're so interested in this today. And I'm going to wipe away the dust. And there she is. That is not too thick, just right. And now that it's finished filed, that is ready for some gel polish. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little video on how to do prosthetics on a partially grown out runner's toe. We'll definitely keep you guys updated on how long it lasts. I have a feeling it's going to last for a long time because I absolutely love this gel system. But I will definitely keep you guys updated on that. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get to painting my toes. So I hope you guys all click, comment, like up this video, subscribe, hit that bell notification. You'll get notified every time I post. I post every few days. I don't know what the content's going to be. Could be feet, could be nails. Who knows? But it's content. Anywho's, I hope you guys all stay tuned and stay jazzy.